In this training video, we will be going over programming your work authorization form. So again, we have the name here is work authorization. So you put this in here, and then this would show up on the side dashboard. This is the title. This is what will show up on the top of the form. This is your toolbar where you can work on all of this text. All of this could be changed with this toolbar, and we also offer the tokens. So if you wanted to add apartment name, category, that would appear in this text. Also, the statements are available where you could put the input field. That's also available as well. All of this is programmable. Tremendous flexibility. You also can put this checkbox if you want notes to appear on this work authorization form, the actual form, which I'll show you in 1 second. Then if you wanted to, you could revert this back. Let's say that you didn't like the way this was, you liked the way the old contract read, then you could revert back. So basically, the form that we just programmed is how this would look right here, work authorization. And again, under programming, you may want to change this. This could be service contract. This could be anything you want it to be. So again, tremendous flexibility within this program. All this is programmable, as I've been saying. And then your note box, you can type notes in here, and then this is where your signature from your customer would go, and then of course your company signature as well. So again, this is your work authorization form. To your success, and thank you for watching.